Hey, it's Owen here from IVEP Support, and today we are going to be looking at ICE, the interactive content editor for IVEP. First things first, we have to log in. Simply enter your username, your password, and click login. Next, you will see the Your Playlist screen. Here you can delete or edit a playlist you have already saved to the cloud, or add a new one by clicking the plus button. We'll go straight into our new playlist. You are now into the interactive content editor interface. Here you will see a few things. At the top you'll find our top menu, where you can view the manual, export a playlist, import a playlist, copy the embed code, or log out. To the left of the screen you'll see the dApp store. These are where all the apps live, and they're simply drag and drop. Next to this you'll see the playlist window. Here you'll be able to view your video, add a new video, or publish when you're done. Below this you will find the project flow window. Here you can keep track of your project, change your root or branch settings, add a new branch, or remove a video or a branch. To the top right of this you'll find your smart objects use section. Here's where all your smart objects live and can be removed from. And below this you'll find the parameters window. Here's where all your settings for your root, branch, and videos live. We will jump into a finished playlist now so you can see what these windows look like populated. As you can see, the project window shows our video. The project flow shows the flow of our project with the videos and branches, and the smart objects used shows all the smart objects used in this video. Below you'll see the parameters where you can change all the settings for the video. The first step is to choose your project root settings. Move across to the parameters window and you can choose between 3. None means the video is considered independent. The project flow will end after your video is finished. Selecting sequential will treat your project flow as a video playlist. Each video added to the root or branch sequence will play chronologically. And finally, cycle will treat your project flow as a video playlist similar to sequential, but at the end, your sequence will loop until the viewer has exited by either selecting a smart object or selecting a different video. The next step is to add a video. Navigate to the project playlist section and click Add Video. Now, navigate to your parameters window where you'll be able to change the video settings. You can choose your source, YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Facebook, Twitch, or JW Player. Below this, you'll enter your video ID, which is usually located at the end of the video URL. Simply paste this in and click Save. It's very important that you save any changes you make to your video. Next, you can go down to Video and change the video settings. Here, you can change the video name, the start time, or the video thumbnail using a URL of an image. Click Save. Now it's time to add your first smart object. Simply find the location on your timeline and drag and drop. You'll see the smart object appear. The parameters remain universal for all smart objects, apart from the last menu setting, in this instance, image. You can change the name, change the start time, change the duration, and change the position, but it might be easier to actually click on the smart object and reposition it yourself using your mouse. You can also mute the sound that plays by default and change it. Don't forget to save those changes. If you have CSS knowledge, you can actually customize the appearance of your smart object with a little bit of code. Click Save and you'll see those changes in the project preview window. You can also turn on your smart object's target. Simply click on Target and click the checkbox, then save. Your target will appear. To change the location of the main target, you can change Target X and Target Y settings. And finally, we'll add the image. Simply navigate to the image URL, copy it, and paste it into the URL section. Click Save. Next, you can decide what you want the click-through to do for the user. You can decide if you want to do nothing, link to a video, or a link. Add the website, in this case dubtokens.com. It can open up in a pop-up in a new tab or play in the background. Click Save. Now that we've added a smart object and video, it's time to add a branch to our project. Simply click on the video you'd like to add the branch to, click on the plus in the project flow window, and a branch will appear. You can change the branch settings similar to the root settings we changed earlier. If you want to add another video to the root playlist, click root and click add video. We can change all our video settings as we did before. Let's add a branch to this video so we can start building our playlist. And let's add some more videos. We'll grab this video from Facebook. Now that we've added all our videos, it's a good idea to add a video smart object. Simply drag and drop as before. And we'll jump down to the video settings. Drag the video name from your project flow window and drag it into video ID section. Once you click save, the video will appear in preview. Move the video to the perfect location, change any other settings you might want to change, and you're good to go. Now our playlist is finished, so it's time to publish. To publish, click Publish in the project preview window. Once your video is published, this should change to Unpublish. Clicking Unpublish will take your playlist offline. You can copy your playlist ID to your clipboard to view your playlist, or you could copy the embed code. Now let's add some more smart objects to the iVep demo you've probably already seen. We'll start with Facebook. Simply drag and drop, change the duration, add a Facebook username, in this case, dubtokens, and click save. You will see this smart object shows up in our smart objects used. Next, let's add a choice smart object. We will change the choices, why not Discover Montreal and Discover Quebec City? Click save and you will see them appear in our project preview window. We can decide on how many rows we want. You could put 4 and add 2 more choices, but we'll stick with 2. Now we can decide what we want these links to do. Let's link them to another video. Simply drag and drop the video name from the project flow window straight into the parameters section. Click save and we're good to go. Next, let's add a DubCandy smart object. Drag and drop where you want it on the timeline, and the object will appear. Navigate to the DubCandy settings. Here you can change the title, you can change the URL, and you can also change the image. Let's change the duration. Let's see how this looks. You can paste the URL to view your playlist. You can change some of the embedding parameters by simply changing the end of your URL. Adding a smart object ID equals the number of the video and then dash the number of that object will link the user directly to the object first appearing in that video. Let's check out what happens when we click our choice smart object. Now let's check out our DubCandy shoppable video tag. They click back to the tab and their video experience continues.